Hey guys, it's me, Turtle Teller now because I changed it to, Turtle Teller. My old one was Iron Spider. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you about my info for my dog, Jackson. I'm gonna show you him in person in the next video. So his name is Jackson. His fur, he is a chocolate Labrador. And his fur is chocolate. His eyes are like brownish, hazelish. So, and his nails are not that sharp and stuff, but they're long, but they're not even sharp. But he gave me some scratches that kind of hurt and started to bleed. So, and his he has some teeth that are still growing in, I think. But his back teeth are very sharp. They're like canine teeth for him. But I think they are canine teeth, but I don't know. I'm not good with dogs though, but I think he is I think his canine teeth is growing in, but those back teeth that he has is like so sharp. That's some of the scratches he gave me with them. So yeah, I'm going to show you him in person in the next video. So it's been me, Turtle Teller. Peace.